Hello guys, this is Muscle Rider and welcome back to the channel once again. So we have done some modifications on the bike, like the windscreen, the tank grips and the tank pad. Now there are still some modifications remaining, but still I'm not riding very often. Most of my rides are office commutes, so I'm not rushing to the modifications yet. But this modification right now, like this accessory, is necessary. I have faced issues on my old bike because of the absence of this accessory. So this accessory is the fork seals, like the not kind of fork seals. This accessory is fork protectors, fork sleeves, or fork boots, whatever you might want to call it. So this basically protects the naked part of the fork. So since our bike comes with the upside down forks, it has a small extender which protects the naked part of the fork, but still it's not enough to protect the fork pipe. So we are going to get the fork sleeves from Thane Bikers Vault, and yeah, basically it's going to do our work to protect the fork and the fork seal.
So why fork sleeves are important? Because when you ride a motorcycle, the dirt particles and the other stones, small stones, which gets accumulated on the fork pipes and then destroys the fork seal. And once the fork seal is destroyed, the oil starts seeping out of the fork and then will make its way onto the tires, which is very risky. So what fork sleeves will do is prevent the dirt, mud or stones hitting the naked part of the fork and even entering the fork seals. So it will give an extra protection to the fork.
These are the fork oil seal protectors for 499, and let's just open it. So I have a one pair of protectors. Here is the velcro lining and two cable ties.
Now installing the fork sleeves on the motorcycle. First of all, you will clean the naked part of the fork with the microfiber cloth. Once it is cleaned, you will go ahead and wrap the fork sleeves on your fork. Adjust the fork sleeves in such a way that it covers the seal and most of the naked part of the fork. And once it is placed properly, go ahead and close the velcro, and then once done, you will be getting the cable ties. Go ahead and use the cable ties. So after installation, this is how the fork sleeves look like.